Hi beautiful fans out there. In today's simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compress your video into a smaller file size without affecting the video quality. Okay, the right app to use, that is the one I'm using right now, how to get it, and then how to set it up properly to get the result without reducing the video quality. Alright, so the advantage of shrinking, that is compressing your video, is to reduce the overall file size. That is to reduce the space it consumes on your device, either phone, computer, or whatever. Then also to economize your data usage when you want to upload such files. So the smaller the file, the less data it consumes when you are uploading it to either social media, YouTube, or whatsoever. And then also the uploading process will be faster if the video size is compressed into a smaller size. So I can guarantee you of the quality, because this is the same app I've been using to compress my video before I normally upload to YouTube. The quality is guaranteed, so it does not affect the video quality, and it's absolutely free, just that they run ad on the app. So there's also a premium version where you can use it without experiencing ads, so you have to pay for that version. But if you don't want to pay, you can use it with the ad. So the ad just runs for a few seconds. So let's get started by showing you the exact app. It's available on Play Store, but you know, when you search for the app, you may see so many types. So to get the exact one I'm using, I'm going to show you how it looks like on Play Store, the exact name, the icon. So let me go to the app info. All right, so scroll down to app details. Okay, so here is the app. This is how it looks like on Play Store. Okay, so the full name is Compressed Video Size Compressor, I think by Inverse AI. Alright, so without wasting time, let me go back to open it and show you how to use it. Let's get started by launching the video compressor app. So now I switch to a laptop. I mirror the phone screen to the laptop because I can't screen record. I can't screen record on the phone and then also use the video compressor at the same time, because both of them are using my CPU, so they are crashing. So now open the app. So when you first open the app, you will experience some ad because we are using the free version. So if you don't want to use the free version, you go for the pro version, you will not experience ad. So cancel the ad by clicking on this icon on the top right corner. So stay up here. Okay, now the ad is gone. So what you're going to select next is this compressor. So that's what we're going to use. So click on it. Now we have to select the video we are going to compress. That is the video we want to reduce the size. So I'm going to use this particular one, this one. So what you notice is just 2 minutes 1 second, but look at the size, 320.63 megabit for just a 2-minute video. So imagine having a 1 hour video that will be multiple gigabit in size. So how do you upload such video? So that's the purpose of compressing the video, so that it will reduce to a moderate size. But the disadvantage of the challenge most people have is using the wrong app and how to do it properly, because most compressor will shrink your quality also. So I carefully select this app because I've been using it after testing multiple ones. So I come up with this one because that is what I've been using to compress my video before I upload to YouTube. So we will select this video for the demonstration. Take note of the size before the compression. So after the compression, we'll compare the final size of the video to the original one, so from 320 to how many, and we also play the video to see the quality, if there is a visible reduction in the video quality. Okay, so click on it and then that is selected, then click on next. Alright, so this is where you need to pay careful attention. Okay, so at this point this is where you may end up making mistake that will affect the video quality. Alright, so you just need to make the right choice here. Just scroll down. So it's currently on the medium. Scroll down, so don't make mistake here. Click on this custom. So because we are using free version, we need to watch ad before we can proceed. So let me turn on my data and watch ad. So for just a few seconds, then watch ad. So the ad will take 30 seconds, so about 20 seconds more left before I can proceed to the app. Alright, so the ad has loaded, so click on cancel this reward to go back to the stuff. So pay attention. So after selecting this custom, you need to reduce the size of this bitrate, the bitrate rather, sorry, bitrate. So this is where you will reduce the overall size of the video. So if you over reduce the size of this bitrate, then it will affect the video quality. So there's a moderate level I always use that doesn't affect the video quality. So you can use reduce it to as much as 35%, but for assured result I'll leave it around 37%. So the more you reduce it, the more the video size will reduce. But if you over reduce it, just as I said, it will have a visible effect on the video quality. But from 35% upward, you will notice any drop in the video quality. So let's do that. Okay, so I've adjusted it to the 7%, but take note of this. So the option move from that custom to music compression. So if you mistakenly leave it in this music compression, it will seriously affect the video quality. So don't forget to take it back to that custom. Now, yeah, you leave it at custom, then bitrate is at 37%. So let's proceed by clicking on continue. Alright, so we can change the video name for easy identification. So let me delete the original, the default name system. So let me delete it from the phone. So I will name it testing battery, because that is what the video I want to compress is all about. Just for we're just testing some lithium ion battery. So we click on start. Okay, so as I click on start, it's compressing now. There is some ad. Let me cancel the ad. Oh, sorry, a mistake. Okay, so because something interrupted with the phone, so the compression process cancelled, so I have to start it again. So I'm going to do the same process again. Select custom, then reduce the size to the bitrate to 37. And custom, and click next, and change the name. Testing batteries. Start. Okay, because the one we attempted to do before, the names have already been saved, so we need to add something to this one to make the name different. So let me add 2. Right, so start. Okay, so ad is still running, but no problem, the compression is going on the ground. But let me just cancel the ad for this guy. Okay, so it will take some time before it finishes, because it's video processing. Video processing normally takes time. So what I normally do when I'm compressing longer video, I used to drop the phone, do other things, then check it once in a while to make sure it's still going. Because when the screen go idle for so long, the process may stop. So if you are compressing a video with a longer length, that will take a lot of time, like 30 minutes. You need to be shaking your screen once in a while. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, it's almost done, and look at the size. Okay, so successfully converted. So from 320 megabyte to 8.3 megabytes. So can you see the huge difference? So to be sure that this video only reduce the file size without affecting the video quality, let's play the video and see. Something right here. All these batteries, unused batteries inside power bank. I thought they are added as a backup, as in case the main one get damaged, then you can replace them. But from my observation, doesn't mean they are just dummy batteries, because it seems like this battery is already weak, and then I'm trying to replace it. But then I want to test each of the battery. If they're reading, they still look new, they still look fresh, but we're giving negative reading. Alright. That is no voltage at all. Or is it undercharged? No. So as you see from the screen, the video quality was still high. There's no reduction in the video quality. So what I'm going to do is to delete the original so that both of them will not be on the phone then occupy space. So I'll delete the original now. Okay, so I can share this. I can easily upload this one now. Right, so that's how to reduce the size of the video without affecting the quality. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with friends, and comment. And you can have your contribution in the comment section. If there is any app you think you can do better, you can also recommend that. Thank you for your time.